This is Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we'll have a quick video tour of our 2016 pre-owned 16 Cape Craft. This boat is in like new condition. Yellow hull. Looking up near the bow, we do have a 12-volt plug-in for a trolling motor, casting deck with storage, cooler under the front seat in front of the console, rod holders on both sides. Nicely laid out helm, fore and aft facing seat / leaning post cooler, as well as a wide open rear casting deck. Portable fuel tank is underneath there, and this boat is powered by a 40 horse Honda outboard motor and comes complete with Bimini top as well. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, please feel free to give us a call at 727-536-2628. Hope to see you in the showroom soon.